channel 3D Artist. Today I am going to show you how to make a boomerang. Let us start now. Come. For making this boomerang, we need to fold a paper into two equal arcs and tear them. Next, what you have to do is you have to keep one of these papers aside. Next, what you have to do is you have to fold the paper which you have in hand in the center. When you do this, make sure that you make a crease so that you can see a line of the folding. Next, what you have to do is you have to semi-fold the right and left of the paper, leaving a little bit of space between them. As you can see, I also have left a small space between the center. You have to repeat this on the left also. Now what you have to do is you have to fold the paper. While folding, make sure that you hold the edges because you can fold it perfectly and easily. Now put a finger inside the sole and make a crease over there. Now fold the paper like a triangle in shape on all the four sides of the paper. When you fold like that, make sure you hold on the edge and fold because the boomerang may not come perfect. Again I am reminding, please repeat on all the four corners. Next, after opening, you have to do the same foldings as in this video, like this. Now on the left hand side, you have to make a pocket. I will show you how. So you can see a pocket right now. Then fold the other side and make a crease so that the boomerang will become little thick. Now make this earlier fold enter into that pocket and make a crease over there. So our boomerang is now almost ready. For the slanting slope, we have to fold the corner into a triangle and pull inside the outside like this, and then fold the other side and insert it inside. So I will show you on the other side how I did on the first side. So this is how I did it. I first folded the two ends like this and then repeated the last thing what I did. So make sure that the piece which you have inserted inside does not come out of the pocket. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe. And follow me on Instagram. This is the Instagram ID. Until we see in our next video.